Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I wrote this project in just 4 hours, and this thing, so many people are showing interest in this project, even though it was kind of like a side project for me. And even I feel like, it can make a lot of business. So the idea of this project is, I'll show you. Okay. So let me just find some live stream of some street. So street live stream and any camera. So my YouTube is so minimal, you might be wondering, okay, but my internet is slow. So I have done a lot of work one night just to, block all the junk. So let me just use this. Wow, this lighting is so good. Okay, so what I can do is I can use YT blah 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 to just get the URL of like the stream link. So because I don't have any RTSP or any stream basically currently a live camera view. So Christmas view. And what you can do is you can just put the URL. You can also select the region of interest if that matters. So for example, like yeah, let's just say this area. So what you can do is it is selected. If you alert if you see any woman. Okay. So or like do you see any woman? And now just set it to 15 seconds. You can set the timer. You can also do things like time period, okay, like in the morning only. So let's just start this. So basically, this project, it's a side project, but I never thought like a side project can become my main project because this thing is showing a lot of potential. It's super cheap. And I used to do these things early in my career. Okay. When I did my first job, I used to make a lot of products like these. So the first inferencing takes time, but after that, it will take like 15 seconds. So I used to work with this guy, Uday. Okay. So he was my employer. And okay, here's the thing. So basically, in this region only, and it will compress the image, all right? Like it try to minimize the token cost, all right? So I'm also planning to have like a shorter response. So for every 15 seconds, so you can have like data collection or you can have alerts. Like for example, if there is some parking lot, and in some no parking zone, you can check in every 15 minutes that no car is parked in that area. So yeah, it is good project. I have a lot of hope with this. But I'm not good with like businesses. So if you can find like anyone in your neighborhood, any business who who needs something like this, okay, so I can easily, like, this is a B2B product, like it's not a B2C. So let me just show you like few projects I used to do. I did it very early in my career. All right. So for example, this AI Viz project. All right. So I used to do these kind of things with companies when like when AI wasn't so strong. All right. Like we used to train our own models. And this project I still remember, like it was challenging because we trained our own model, and look at the UI. It's so childish, but it was really hard. I had to do a lot of Python uh, code in this. So basically, it was for factories to detect whether this component is damaged or not. Okay. So Uday was the kind of guy who used to just go in random factories and talk to people and just try to learn how their businesses are working. Okay. And once you are like, if you are someone who understand technology, and if you go to these factories or the places in the economy where people don't know technology much. So so here in this video, like we were detecting like these PPE vest and all. I just realized like GCP also have a model just to do the exact same thing. Like, so at the time we trained our own model. But so but these things are so easy these days because we have like such a advanced image understanding. Wow, this project is not related to any factory or something, but it was interesting because in this project what I did is like we were using WebRTC stream to make a live stream on YouTube. Okay, so for those who don't know, WebRTC stream needs to get re-encoded in order to basically you need like a streaming server for that, which we set it up. So yeah, we were such an this is like there was a time when I was a noob, right? Like I okay, I still remember like I used to code in Emacs, and Uday used to say that why you do such thing, like you can use PyCharm, it is so advanced and all. Thankfully now I can use Z to make my life simple. So yeah, so these kind of projects, so I'm pretty sure like Chinese government will love such projects, but it's even if you are like having some of your personal shop or something, you want to track like if there's anyone in the counter, if the doors are open in the work time, projects like these, I just enjoy like making such projects. Okay, so the cost, if you attach like, so I'm using like Gemini image understanding, Gen AI library. I am in love with Gen AI library because it provides like everything, and it gives the quality. It's also cheap. Again, it's a Google technology, but I love doing business with Google. So you just need like a billing account of GCP and connected with your AI Studio API key, and that's it. Like one bank account linked, and this thing is so cheap, like it won't hurt. In fact, like like I calculated like in just $10, $5, you can actually have entire month monitoring on something. All right. So that's it. That was my project. Thanks for watching.